Guys, to this wonderful educational video. Today I'm going to teach you how to implement the financial functions on a spreadsheet. If you want to find out how I got to these answers, please stay tuned to this wonderful video. Welcome back, guys. So we've got our loan rather, and the amount that we took from the loan is 20,000 rands, right? With an interest rate of 14% and number of terms which is 20 years, of course. So look at this, guys. They are looking for the monthly payment, so the amount that we paid monthly for us to repay the loan. So how are we going to complete this thing? Obviously, for you to complete this thing, you need a spreadsheet function. So how are you going to implement this? You need to know this by heart, guys. This thing must be known by heart. For you to complete this, you need to know this thing by heart. So for us to complete this thing, you're gonna type in PMT. You're gonna utilize the PMT method. Okay, the PMT stands for the monthly payment. You see, it even tells you that it calculates the payment for a loan based on constant payments and a constant interest rate. You see, so it's self-explanatory. Okay, what's our rate on this day? Our rate is 14%. Okay, 14%, which is in B5. Okay, B5 semicolon. We are moving on to number of payments per term, which is 20, which is in B7. Okay, the next one, which is the present value, the day we took the loan, which is 20,000. Close brackets. Your answer is this. Look at this. The answer from what I got compared to this one is wrong. It's incorrect, guys. So let us look at our question, or let us analyze what we've got here. It says a monthly payment, and looking at this thing, our interest rate is not a monthly interest rate. This is a yearly or annually interest rate. So for you to change this into an monthly interest rate, you need to divide it by 12. Why are we dividing it by 12? Because there are 12 months in a year. Simple as that, guys. 12 months in a year. Okay, the next one, which is B7. So B7 is the number of terms, which is in years. So for us to find monthly payments or monthly installments, the number of installments, the number of how we're gonna be paying this loan is gonna be multiplied by 12. Same reason as before, as that one rather. The reason behind it is because there are 12 months in a year. Okay. Okay, some of you are going to be asking yourself, why am I putting a negative before B3? The reason for it is because if you don't put a negative behind it, the answer is gonna be in a negative form. So you need a positive answer for you to to get the answer. So you're gonna put a what? A positive answer. Okay, thank you. This is the answer that we had at the beginning of this video. Okay, the next one. So in this instance, we are asked to find the future value, isn't it? So what's our future value here? How are we gonna implement this? How are we gonna calculate this? So we're gonna type in the what? Equal sign FV open brackets. What's our rate? Our rate is 10%, isn't it? Semicolon, term. What's our term? 30 years, isn't it? 30 years, which is negative 20,000, isn't it? Simple as that, guys. Simple as that. Look at that. We have made a mistake again. Okay, okay guys, let us continue to the next one, to the next question. Now look at this. This one is interesting. This one is interesting, guys. In this example, one is given what? One is given the future value. In this instance, we are looking for the present value. So what's our present value? We don't have our present value, but we've got our future value, which is the annual pension. Eh? So look at this, guys. We wanna find our present value the day we took. The day this thing started. So let's say we are given, you wanna invest, let's say 50,000 rands, 50,000 rands on something, or maybe like you wanna buy a car with that 50,000 rands. For you to get that car, you will tell us how much are you gonna put in the bank first. That first amount is your present value. Let's say you're gonna put in 20,000 rands or 10,000 rands, which is the amount, which is the present value. So look at this. How do we calculate our present value? You're gonna equal sign first, PV open brackets. What's our rate? Our rate is 10%, guys. Our rate is 10%, semicolon, number of years 20 years, semicolon, PMT. This cannot be or can't be our PMT, so you're gonna put a semicolon rather, and for future value, which this amount is 8,000, so you're gonna put 8,000 close brackets. But with this one, sorry, where is my cursor? Okay, with this one, before typing the formula, right after your equal sign, you need to put a negative sign first for it to become positive. So your answer is this. So monthly, one is gonna put in, not your monthly, your present value. It's gonna be 1,189 rand 15 cents. This is your amount. This is your present value. I hope you understand this, guys. Next time on my next video, I'm gonna explain this further. I'm gonna do more complex examples and complete this with you guys. And guys, please subscribe to this channel for you to get more videos. Thank you guys, and be safe.